when it comes iron every now and then. So if you've never soldered before, a couple of things just to keep in mind. You should always keep the tip of your soldering iron tinned. You can see I've got a covering here of solder that stops the tip from oxidizing. Otherwise, what will happen is the solder will have trouble sticking to your iron and makes it difficult to make your connections. And we also need to tin our wires and also the lugs we're connecting to on the components. The other thing to remember about solder, it's not like gluing two objects together. What we're really trying to do is transfer heat. So soldering iron's very hot, the solder sticks to that. So the lugs that we connect the wire to and the wire itself will need to heat up first. So I'd always leave the iron against the component first for a little while before feeding just a small amount of solder in to make the connection. All right, so we have to get this pickup selector through the pickup selector hole. What I've found is the best way to do this is to take a guitar string, tie a length of fishing line through the ball end of the guitar string, protect the edges of the hole with some tape, and just run that through into the channel. And hold on to the fishing line and just pull that back out. And then what we can do is tie this fishing line through the hole there. When you tie this off, tie the knot well above the selector switch itself, so when we're pulling up this line through the hole, the knot will not pull the pickup selector to the side. We want it to be coming straight up. If that was loose fitting there, I'd suggest holding onto the line. Okay, so just thumb tighten that for now. So I'm going to run these wires through now. We can't pull these straight in. Okay, so now we can install our pickups. So you'll have an obvious neck and an obvious bridge pickup. The smaller pickup ring obviously goes to the front, and the whole piece is face outward. So this would be our layout. Next, I'm just going to poke those holes through the channel as well. Make sure either side of the back and the pickup wire should be in the corner. Yeah, but that's how essentially they'll be fed in. So you can imagine them facing up the other way. So this will be a neck volume, neck tone, bridge volume, bridge tone. So a neck pickup will be ground to the back of this pot here like so, and the hot wire will go onto this first lug here. So if the pot's facing you, it will be the lug the fishing line and guitar string method. This nut here stays on in place. The plate then goes over like so, and it simply screws on like so.